Alright, fuel rails off. See, just had to take the two retaining bolts out and on both sides and then pop it out. Now, this one kind of gave me some trouble. There's two ways to do it. You can pop the retaining clips off of the actual injector itself. What I did was I popped the retainer clip and they just pop right off. So if you want to get it off, all you got to do is just slide it off, and then you can get the injector to come out. What I did was I popped the clips first. That way, not to put too much pressure on it if it wanted to give on the top or the bottom. They mostly came out from the top, but one of them did decide to stay in. That's why I popped the retainer clip on the top. So if it decided to stay in, it could stay in. If it wanted to come out, it could come out. And what I also did was I go ahead and put on my bolts, but I laid my ignition coils out exactly in the cylinders that they came out of so I can put them exactly in the same ones. That way I just know everything went back exactly how it was. So there's any problems. All in all, the injectors don't look too bad. I'm going to clean them up. I'm going to check the O-rings. I might buy some new O-rings. I'm not sure yet. Now you just got 6 bolts. I'm sorry, 4 bolts on each side. So 8 total bolts, those long ones. We're going to jump off. I have to pull that sensor off, and then we'll be able to get to those bolts. Same thing on this side. And then you got one front one here, a shorty, and then a couple big ones. I had to pull the dipstick off there to try to get it done, and then we'll slide up under the car after that and see what we can get rolling. But let me go ahead and pull these out. The retainer bolts were 8 millimeters on the fuel injection rail, and then these look like 10s again, so let's go ahead and we'll pop these out. Don't matter how you take them off, just matters how you put them back on. Same thing on my other video. Whenever you're doing something that's gasket wise, there is a torque process to it, and you always want to kind of start from the center and start from the centers and cross. That way you get the center down, and then you can seal the back down. You never start from one side or the other when you're torquing something down that needs to be sealed, because it won't get a good seal. So you'll start here, go over, and I'll look up the exact torque, but it don't much matter. Everything's pretty much from the center. So you go one side, one side, one side, one side, and then boom, boom, and boom, boom, and then that way you're done. All right, let me get back at it. And when I get these off, I'll start filming again.